Hi, I hope that you are vibrationally well wherever in this now moment you are joining me on today's message. And today's message is about the opportunity for us to recognize if you are having seemingly opposing thoughts and feelings about a situation, a person, a place, or an event in your life right now, and to understand that it's okay to do that. A lot of times we have shame, we have guilt or embarrassment if we're thinking something about a situation, about an experience or a person which might be opposite to something that you started with. Maybe you got this dream job, or maybe you started off collaborating with someone, or you just gotten into a relationship and you start to feel something, start to think something that's completely opposite to the way you felt or you thought earlier. And to recognize that it's human to feel this way and think this way. And I would encourage you to probably make some time to understand what your thoughts are and what your feelings are around this person, place, event, or situation. Because the more honest you are, the more courage you have to understand that you can hold all these thoughts and emotions without dismissing them. Because the more you dismiss them, the more they're going to come out somewhere else through anger, through frustration, and that's not really going to be healthy for you or for the other person or the situation that you're experiencing this in. The other thing that I wanted to share with you today is that a lot of times we have expectations, we have assumptions about what is going on in that situation or with the other person, without fully clarifying if what is going on in your mind is true or not. We build stories, we live in a fantasy world, and we have, maybe you've just had the opportunity to get hired, and suddenly everything seems to be not quite like you expected, or you've gotten into this relationship having this story in your mind, but what's happening is not what you thought would happen. I would encourage you to access courage to clarify things in that situation and with that person, because that's the only way that you can level up and release a lot of the stories, a lot of the blame, maybe a lot of resentment and anger that you might be holding within you. And the last thing that I want to encourage you to think about and consider is that you may not always get a yes in an experience, maybe an interview with a job, someone you're collaborating with, or even a closer relationship. You might get a no. So understand that people have the freedom to say no to you, just like you have the freedom to say no and to walk away from something as well. I send you love, I send you peace, that you might understand that you have the freedom and the courage to access, to clarify things for yourself, to demystify some of the assumptions and the realities that you are living in your mind, which might not really be true. I love you.